We are excited to invite you to the third Advances in Psychiatry across all ages that's happening on February 9th to February 11th at Sofitel Abu Dhabi.
We are offering a number of sessions and workshops dedicated for children and adolescents psychiatry that would be offered by a number of local specialists as well as international speakers.
We are delighted to have Dr. Hanan Derby, who is the clinical lead of the eating disorder at Jalila Hospital, Dubai, as well as Dr. Nadia Dabbagh, who will be telling us more about the collaborative work between the Royal College, UK, and the Middle East.
Furthermore, we are offering workshops for upskilling professionals working with children and adolescents to enhance parenting skills for kids who were diagnosed with neurodevelopmental disorders, as well as focusing on parent-infant dyadic development and the development of a healthy attachment.
We are looking forward to seeing you there.
Yep.